Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build a blogging app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, you can easily build a blogging app in Glide to share your blog posts with others. To begin, navigate to the left menu on your Glide dashboard and select the Templates option. This will take you to your template page where you can view and manage your existing templates. To gain access to the template store, click on the Template Store option. This action will direct you to the Templates library. In the Templates library, you'll notice that templates are organized into various categories which you can browse through using the left menu. A search bar is also available for finding specific templates. In this case, as we're aiming to create a blogging app, type blog in the search bar. The results will display a range of blog-related templates. For this tutorial, select Basic Blog. Clicking on this template will take you to another page. Here on the right side, you'll see two options, Create this app and Preview. Click on Create this app to proceed. This will lead you to the editor where you can further customize your template. After customizing your app to your satisfaction, it's time to publish it. The Publish button is located at the top right corner of the editor. Click on it to make your app public. Upon publishing, the Share button will appear in the same location as the Publish button. Clicking on Share will give you multiple options to distribute your app, such as through a QR code, a direct link, or by inviting users via their email addresses. Thus, your Blogger app is now ready to be explored and enjoyed by others. To get started, simply sign up using the first link provided in the video description. Thank you for considering this option. I hope you found this tutorial useful and learned something new. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. Thanks for watching, and take care.